How's it going, guys? So the point of this video is to quickly show you how to disable your Ethernet or Wi-Fi at a specific time. So the first step is you want to make sure your file name extensions are visible, right? And then you open your command prompt and then just type what I type. You don't need to do this step if you already know if you're connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, but yeah. So once you see this, for me personally, I'm connected to Wi-Fi, so that's the one I'll try to disable. So our next step is we open Word. I don't know if it's called WordPad or Notepad. Yeah, Notepad. And then we are now going to make our command. So type what I type. Interface set interface. And then at this point, if you want to disable Wi-Fi, you type Wi-Fi. If you want to disable Ethernet, you type Ethernet in place of Wi-Fi. And then you say disabled. Alright. Then you save this as. So this was a point of making sure your file name extensions are visible. You save it as a .cmd file, right? And then I don't know whatever name you want here. Personally, I'll say disable Wi-Fi, and I will save this, right? Then the next step is opening task scheduler. So yeah, this is what you type: taskschd.msc. And now your task scheduler is open. You will say create task, and then the name, I'll say disable Wi-Fi, and then I will take this, run whether user is logged on or not, and also run with highest privileges, and also I'm running Windows 10, so configure for Windows 10, and then I'll move to triggers, new. This is where you now set the time you want it to run to turn off. This thing is slow. Okay, so today's the 9th and 6 a.m. has already passed, so let me say 10th of December, right? Personally, I like setting it to 5:59 because yeah, I don't trust these guys. 5:59, and then you say you want it to run daily, 5:59 daily, right? And then yeah, that's it for this. And then your actions. This is now where you locate that script you made for disabling the Wi-Fi. This one here, and then that's it pretty much. Oh yeah, you just have to enter your credentials here, and then you can test to see if your if you've done it right. You can test by doing this. Go to task scheduler library, look for your disabled whatever the thing you've just made, and then you say run. If your Wi-Fi goes off, then you've done it right. Yeah, so you can just now go to your network and internet settings, change adapter options, and then just turn it back on, re-enable it. Yeah, so what this will do is at the time you set every single day, it will turn the Wi-Fi off, which is useful for things like the forgotten the name of that liquid thing. So yeah, that's it, guys. Good luck.